out your science book. Turn to page 49 and answer questions 2 and 3.
Let's do a mental math problem. There are 15 students in a room and then 3 students left. How many students are in the room now?
Would you please hang up your coat, put your shoes away, and then get a snack out of the refrigerator for your sister?
In order to do those things, you needed to use a special type of memory. It's called working memory. When you use working memory, you keep information in mind while you are working with it. We use our working memory a lot each day. For example, when listening to directions, you need to keep in mind what was said so you can do what you're supposed to do. When you are reading a story, you have to keep in mind what you are reading so everything makes sense and you can follow what is happening in the story. When you are doing a writing assignment, you have to keep your thoughts and ideas about what you plan to write in your head until you're ready to write them down. It takes a lot of mental effort to do a lot of those things. There are some strategies you can use to help you out. First, pay very close attention to what you'll need to remember and think about. Your brain has to be laser focused on the information. What are some other strategies to help your working memory?
I try to see what I need to remember in my head as pictures.
Sometimes I repeat what I need to remember to myself.
I think it helps to write down a few important words. That helps to remember.
Those are some fantastic strategies to use. Pay very close attention. Visualize it. Say it to yourself. Write it down. And we can always help our brain do the best job it can by getting enough sleep each night, eating healthy foods, and getting exercise each day. That's how we keep our brains charged up and ready to go.